I want to show you how you can get a perfect arrangement for your workspace, like what I use. All right, so let's check it on Photoshop. So you can see from my Photoshop here, I have this arrangement. This is the arrangement I use for my design. So from here, you're going to see that I've saved this arrangement. You're going to see Apmedia here. When I click on Essentials, my workspace is going to change. When I click on maybe photography, for instance, my workspace is going to change. So if this is the first time you're using Photoshop and you come across something like this, and then you see my tutorials and your workspace is quite confusing, so you can follow this video and see how you will be able to adjust to what I have. So for example, I want to make this photography workspace, I want to make it look like what I have. So if I have something like this, the first thing I'm going to do is to drag this back. Okay, I'll bring my mouse here and then I will drag this back. And basically, why I have limited options or limited items on my workspace is because I don't need many of them for my design. All right. Okay. So I'm going to remove many of these things that I don't need. So I don't need this navigation, for instance. I'm going to click on it and I will drag it out. So I will remove this. So maybe next time, all right, I'm taking this out temporarily. So next time, if I want to make use of the navigation, I can head over to window and I would check through. You see navigator. Okay, so when I click navigator, it's going to come back for me. So um don't be afraid that you are deleting it. So you can always go and pick it up again. So I'll remove this now. Okay, so I've removed that. And adjustment also, I don't need adjustment. Layer, library, I don't need it. So I'll just drag it and remove it. Then channels also, I have channels here, I don't need it. Path, yeah, I don't need this guy. So this, I need play, this action, I need action. So I'll click and drag action out. This is properties. I need properties. I need properties. So I'll merge it with action. So it's just be action property. Then this history brush and the history. I don't also need that. I'll remove this and I'll also remove this. So I'll be left with my layer here. I have can see layer. So let me drag this down because I do a lot with my layer. So let me drag that out and I'm going to click and drag this here. You can see it has highlighted blue. Yeah, so I'll drag this one here, drag this one here. So other things that will be here is my character. Okay, so I'll go to window and let me go and pull my character. So you can see character came with paragraph. So like this. So I'll just click and drag this and come and drop here. So I've been able to customize this to from photography to what I have for Apmedia. So I can save this now. I can save this new workspace. Okay, new workspace. So I just click on new workspace and maybe let me give it a name, sample workspace. All right, sample workspace. So this is going to, whenever I click on this now, it's going to give me what I have for Apmedia. Okay, so look at this now. This is Apmedia. Okay, I think there's a slight arrangement of my character, my play, that's my quick action, my property, and my paragraph. Okay, so you can see from here, sample workspace. I have the same element, Apmedia. I have the same element, but in a different arrangement. Okay, so like I said, painting is going to give me an entirely different workspace. So this is what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Back to my Apmedia workspace. So I hope you learned something in this video. Follow Apmedia for more contents like this. You are welcome.